Unit 4, Recording 11.
Let's now have a look at this 3D model of diamond. One of the problems with diamond is that much of the activity is happening at the particle level, and of course particles are invisible. Also, the light we are generating is 100 billion times brighter than the sun, so we can't show you that either. Do you see this machine at the centre here, at the end of a long straight tube? This is where it all starts. That is an electron gun, which generates particles called electrons. Some of you may remember the cathode ray tubes in old TV sets. It's the same principle. The electrons travel down this straight tube here, called the linac, which is short for linear accelerator. The electrons then enter this circular ring in the middle, which is called the booster synchrotron. Here, they accelerate up to even faster speeds. Then they leave the booster synchrotron and move into the storage ring through this tube here. Let me explain about the storage ring. It looks like a circle, but in fact it's made up of straight lengths of tube which are angled together with bending magnets. These bending magnets steer the electrons around the storage ring and stop them crashing into the sides of the walls. Have a look at these angled tubes coming off the storage ring, called beamlines. There are currently 19 of them in operation, and we can increase that number in future. Now, remember that the electrons are travelling clockwise around the ring, and the beamlines are for light that is leaving the ring. Light travels out of the storage ring and into the beamlines, which are experimental research stations where the measuring instruments are located.